This is awesome, man. This is like going to a concert or something. There's so many people out here trying to help.
Just cool to see all the people come together.
Yeah. I wonder how long of a video you can take and still put it on YouTube.